back. Following on from the obviously we did the front brakes on the Varadero. Next thing to do, I need to replace the battery. The battery's been in there for a few years, so new motor back going in. So we're going to start with this now. So seat off. Already put the terminals on. This one I don't need to use the tray. They do come with a tray as well if you need to raise the height, but this one I don't need to. I mean, I've been using motorbikes for years and never even thought of it. Just pop these caps off. I'll leave a link in the description below for the where I got the battery. So basically the accessories I'm running this is, and then obviously I've got the extra ones here. These basically run my spots. There's a switch just on the front there. There we go, they're all nicely in there. Just need to get some cable ties. And just snip off the ends. Again, like I said in the previous video, obviously I don't throw these parts away. I can use these if I need to plastic weld, lug back on, etc. So I always keep these in a pot. And there we go. Very simple, very easy, and a lot tidier than it was. Well, I hope that helped, and again, thanks to Del Boy's Garage. I'll leave a link in the description below, as I said, to his version of it. He's obviously done it on the Triumph Scrambler, a lot more accessible, a lot more easier to reroute wires, etc. And it looks a lot tidier, so go across, check him out. But stay with me for the next video, where I start looking at the rear end. Just need to set the tyre pressures and adjust the chain. As I say, back brake's already done, because obviously I did that in the previous one. Showed you how to basically use a piston spreader and clean up the pistons. So join me again next time, and thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.